I always tell people, hey, got to get off the grid, be more sustainable, save some money, lower your carbon footprint. But if you're a pool technician and you clean swimming pools, there's nothing better than having a solar pump that has full RPMs all day long. Pool circulates, the cleaners move around. You know, this pool's been off the grid for 12 years and I've never had to do anything with this water. Only thing I do is make sure my tap floater's full of chlorine and make sure my pH is level. And this pool is dialed in nonstop all the time. You know, another thing I'll add, if you're a pool technician, having your pump all solar powered out is nobody's ever going to turn it off on you. When you leave, nobody's going to hit the power and turn the pool off so it doesn't circulate, so you don't burn chemicals, your cleaner stops running. So now, having it solar powered, your pump's going to run every single day. The homeowner doesn't care. It's not costing him anything. It's pumping for free. It's circulating for free. So you as a pool technician will have a better quality pool. If you have a variable speed pool pump and you're trying to save that homeowner a couple dollars by spinning it down during peak hours, then your chemicals are going to start evaporating out. The return flow is not going to be circulating your water so much. So now you're going to come to pools and keep brushing, keep adding chemicals. So, you know, nobody's winning on that game. And now you can have it plumbed in parallel, so you can still have your AC pump there for nighttime, running your spa, doing up the heater. You could still do everything. So nothing's going to change inside the house on their control panel. But everyday filtration, circulation is from the sun, and it's free. If you have any questions, go to solarpool.com or give me a call. I'll help you get your swimming pools off the grid. And you're going to spend a lot less money on chlorine. You're going to spend a lot less money on labor getting your pools clean. And the homeowner's going to be stoked. They're going to be saving a lot of money every month, not paying a utility bill. It's going to offset your service fee. And you're going to come to your pool accounts and they're just going to be looking great. Pool's always going to have max filtration circulations because you're not cutting down the RPMs as you have been or would be utilizing a variable speed pool pump. Slow pumping is not good pumping. Let's cut through the hype on these variable speeds because they're not doing you a favor and they're not doing the home consumer a favor. So go with the solar powered pool pump, solarpool.com. Give me a call if you have more questions. So if you're ever wondering, should you go solar? Can I run my pool off the grid with a solar powered pool pump? How's it run in the clouds? How's it run year round? Can I turn it on at night? What should I do? Just give us a call or simply just text the word solar to 474747 and you'll have all the information right there. You can easily do your own pool quote. And we have a flyer there you can read, and obviously you can give us a call. So let's get your swimming pool off the grid. This one's on a decade now being off the grid, and you're next. Give us a call, take action, let's get it done.